Hey, what's up everybody? So here I'm going to be working on a 57 Chevy truck, custom. It's a really nice truck, as you can see. It has a pretty nice crease on that fender, and it's pretty much a show truck. It's really nice. So on this Dent, these older fenders are really thick and they're really hard to get out. They're just a lot harder to get out. They're tougher, and you can see there's a crease right there, pretty sharp crease. So I started this Dent out with the double bend tip, R4 tip with the cherry tip on top. As you can see, I'm just massaging it out, just little by little massaging this Dent out. I use a heat gun on this one, just so I could prevent it from cracking the paint, even though it was pretty hot outside or in the garage. Definitely a tough Dent. On a curve like this and on the thicker metal, it's pretty hard to find your crowns on a curved area like this. But I was able to get it nice and flat back to its original shape. As you can see, it came out really good. If you like what you see, like and share our videos. You can find us on prestigedenvermobile.com, our Facebook page, Instagram. Thanks for watching.